first rates. Let's get the first rates going. And the first rates are 93 points higher for the Nifty. It's a good market breadth on our hand. We've got a block deal, I think, in tips. It's the name of a company. It is not a stock market tip. 4% lower for tips, 6 million shares. You've got ILDA, another 5% higher. I rest my case, guys. I mean, I just don't know what's happening there. It's a 6-bagger in less than 6 months. Stocks don't go up like this. So trust me, this is going to end very badly. But when the story is going to end, I don't know. Then you've got IRFC up another 1%. You've got PNB, which is flying high. You've got HDFC Bank, thankfully, is bouncing back. And then you've got Zomato giving it some company. By the way, Zomato numbers have not come out, so there could be excitement out of those numbers. But in general, I guess the mood point for the market is that we are headed higher, and it is a bank nifty for a change, which is supported by HDFC Bank. How delightful is that? Which is actually making all the tricks. So someone is in a mood really to buy HDFC Bank. Where was this person 2 days ago when HDFC Bank was falling? But that's markets for you. They tend to react and sometimes tend to overreact. I think the reaction on HDFC Bank was exaggerated when it fell last week. Now reasonable amount of calmness seems to be coming back. Aisha?
Just want to check in on Indiabulls Housing as well after that rights issue fundraise of about 3693 odd crore rupees, 1.5% higher, barely. Not really seeing much of a reaction out there. Lots of earnings, so let's just see what Sun Pharma is doing, because Taro has reported healthy numbers. The margins as well have risen both sequentially as well as year on year. Sun Pharma makes a dash of over 1% as we speak right now. Shriram Finance, the margins have expanded to 9%. NIMs have come in healthy at about over 5,000 crore rupees. Chola Investments as well, wherein the asset quality has seen an improvement. Piramal Enterprises, they're looking to sell their entire 20% stake in Shriram Investment. Look out for that. Signed numbers have been in line. Guidance though has been lowered, but that's pretty much at par for course. HDFC Bank, Nikunj just highlighted. LIC, remember, has got the nod to raise the stake now up to nearly 10%. Current holding stands at 5.25%. So not an immediate move. But HDFC is the stock that we should be, picking up right now. DLF as well, after that land parcel acquisition on the golf course extension, 825 crore rupees is the sum which is being talked about. They've also, reported their bookings, which have come in higher by 261%. Their margins came in at about 33.6% or so. There's IEX, which has come out with its numbers. The revenue has seen an uptick of about 15%, 1.6% higher on that stock as we speak right now. Cipla, want to check in on that stock. SBI Cards, we flagged off as to how this has been a weak set. AU Small Finance Bank as well, the asset quality has deteriorated here. And Syngene, which has cut its FY24 guidance once again. AU Small Finance, by the way, has plunged 8.25%. Syngene is down 1.25%. And SBI Card will come up for you on your screens. Just want to check in on that stock as well. That's also gapped down 4.5% as we speak. But it's not bad actually for the Nifty, about a 0.5% uptick. That's where it's currently standing at. And the Adani names holding out well, Axis Bank, Sun Pharma, HDFC Bank. So not looking all that bad, at least for the large cap universe. Stock-specific moves, of course, continue. Naresh, what's the first trade that you're looking to execute?
So continuing like the hotel pack, Lemon Tree looks like a stock which could continue in the momentum towards 150, 160. So that's a buy I would go with.
Thank you for that, Naresh.